Hello, welcome to Internet of Things class. We are getting closer to the end. This is Module 9, and we'll be looking at the emerging trends and future of Internet of Things, emerging trends and future of Internet of Things. And we will look at wireless electricity transmission advancement, we'll look at digital trends and smart infrastructure. We also look at sustainable and green Internet of Things. We look at integration of Internet of Things with emerging technologies. We also look at global challenges and policy issues. And lastly, we will look at the um, future direction of Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is evolving from simple connected device into intelligent, autonomous, and sustainable ecosystem. And this module explores the cutting edge trends that will define the next decades of Internet of Things. The technologies that will not only enhance efficiency and automation, but also addresses global challenges like energy consumption, climate change, and also um, cybersecurity. So, as Internet of Things converges with AI, blockchain, and advanced network and green tech, it becomes a transformative force across every sector of society. And why uh, is this a matter to actually look into? Internet of Things is projected to exceed 75 billion connected devices um, and at 2025, and the emerging trends will redefine how we live, work, and also interact with technology. And the future of Internet of Things is not just about connectivity, it's about intelligence, sustainability, and responsibility. And this having an understanding of this will actually help to be able to uh, know or understand the transitioning into smarter, greener, and more integrated force of Internet of Things, preparing you to be able to lead in the next wave of technological innovation. For the wireless electricity transmission, this is actually that which allows devices to be able to receive electrical energy without physical connectors using electromagnetic fields, resonance, and or RF wave. And we have key methods, and these include inductive coupling, resonance inductive coupling. We also have the RF energy harvesting, and this deals with ambient RF signals converted to power. And we also have the laser microwave transmission. This with the long range directed energy beam. And a benefit of this is that it eliminates battery replacement and disposal. It also enables new form factors and deployment scenarios. It also increases reliability and reduce maintenance cost. And lastly, it supports sustainable always on Internet of Things networks. Also, for digital twins and smart infrastructure, digital twins is actually a dynamic virtual replica of a physical asset system or environment continuously updated via real-time Internet of Things data. And how it works is that Internet of Things sensor feeds live data into the twins. This is known as data ingestion. You also have the simulation mode and modeling, and this for this AI predicts human and runs what if scenario. And also we have the visualization, which is with interactive dashboard and 3D model for monitoring. And lastly is the closed loop control, which deals with the insights from the twin trigger action in the real world. And this is applied to smart cities in terms of simulating traffic, uh, energy use, and also disaster response. It's also applied to manufacturing in terms of virtual production line for optimization and training. It also applies to healthcare in terms of patient-specific organ model for surgery planning, and it also applies to energy where digital winds farm predicting output and maintenance needs. And lastly, it's applied to construction in terms of building life cycle management from design to demolition. And the benefit of this is one, predictive maintenance reduces downtime by up to 30%. Also, the optimized resources use and energy efficiency. It optimizes resources and it also ensure energy efficiency, and also it enhances safety through risk simulation, and lastly it accelerates innovation and testing in a risk-free environment. For the sustainable and green Internet of Things, with billions of Internet of Things devices contributing to e-waste and energy demands, sustainability is no longer optional. It is very important now. And what are the key principles we need to note under this? The first is energy efficiency, where we talk about low power hardware, sleep mode, efficient communication protocol. Another is the renewable energy integration, talking about the solar, wind, or kinetic energy harvesting. Another is the circular economy, dealing with designs for repairability, recyclability, and longer life cycle. And last is eco-friendly manufacturing, which deals with reduced use of hazardous materials, biodegradable components, and it is applied to smart grid, applied to green building. It also applied to precision agriculture, and lastly, it applied to environmental monitoring. And as per the benefits, it benefits in lower operational cost, reduce low operational cost and carbon footprint. Uh, it actually meets regulatory and corporate sustainability goal. It also enhances brand reputation and consumers' trust, and it contributes to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, which is the SDGs. For the integration of Internet of Things with emerging technologies, um, when we talk about Internet of Things and AI, it actually enables predictive analytics, autonomous decision making, and adaptive system. And an example of this is smart factory, where AI predicts machine failure and adjusts production. Another is integration of Internet of Things with blockchain, and for this it provides tamper-proof record for device identity, data provenance, and secure transaction. An example of that is supply chain tracking with immutable logs from factory to consumers. Another is the Internet of Things Plus with robotics, and this creates autonomous system that perceive, detect, and act in real time. An example of this is warehouse robots that coordinate via Internet of Things sensors for optimized picking. We also have the Internet of Things Plus AR or VR, which talks about overlaying of real-time Internet of Things data onto physical environments for training, maintenance of navigation. An example of that is AR glasses showing sensor reading on industrial equipment. And lastly is the Internet of Things with Edge of Hog computation, and this processes data locally to reduce latency, bandwidth, and cloud dependency. An example of that is real-time video analytics for security camera at the edge. We have the global challenges and policy issues. For challenges, we have security and privacy. We have the interoperability, which talks about lack of universal standard, which hinders integration. We also have challenge of infrastructural gap. Another is the e-waste and sustainability. That is, Internet of Things contribute to growing electronic waste. And lastly is the ethical concern in terms of surveillance bias or bias in AI and data ownership. And the policy and governance need include the regulatory framework, the international standard, the incentive for green Internet of Things, in terms of tax break, grants for sustainable designs. Another is the cross-border data rules, and lastly is accountability laws, which need to be put in place as policies or governance need to be able to guide this guide Internet of Things. We have future direction of Internet of Things, and these include the hyperconnectivity, talking about 5G or 6G network. We also have the LPWAN for wide area and low power application. Another is the Internet of Things maturity. Another is the decentralized and secure architecture, talking about blockchain for device identity and data integrity, and also zero trust security model. And another is the sustainable innovation, which is very important in future direction for Internet of Things. And lastly is human-centric Internet of Things. In conclusion, Internet of Things is evolving from a network of things into an ecosystem of intelligence, and one that has the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenge, from climate change to healthcare, while creating new economic opportunity and enhancing quality of life. Thank you for listening.